Hey guys, it's Kabir here, and today I'll be using IoT with the MXCHIP. Wait, what's this guy talking about? What's an IoT? And why do I want anything to do with it? Who invited this guy here anyways? IoT stands for the Internet of Things, which basically is a network of physical objects that is connected to the internet. It allows them to send, receive, and even exchange data. Pretty cool, huh? So the passcode I used last night to get inside his house, the dented Google Home in his basement, and even the $20 knockoff Apple Watch he bought from eBay last year, they're all connected to the internet, which basically means they're part of an IoT system. Hey man, what do you say about my watch, bro? It actually works, and it's for 20 bucks. I think it's a good deal. And that Google Home you're talking about, I got it for a gift on Christmas 2 years ago. Why do I care about IoT and what effects does it have on me anyways? Like, you guys call this a smartwatch because I don't. Without IoT systems, you won't be able to get inside your house using the smart home monitoring system. You won't be able to see who's at your door using your Ring doorbell. And the most important thing of all, you won't be able to yell in the shower, "Hey Google, play the newest Polo G song."
Decorate your block with red tape, phone slide every day, bunch of hollows spitting.
The initial idea of connected devices has been around since the 70s, but it was not until 1999 where a supply chain worker that went by the name of Kevin Ashton wanted to impress his senior management team with a new technology called RFID. Since the internet was the hottest thing then, he named his presentation Internet of Things. Even though Kevin managed to grab some executives' attention, it was not until 10 years later where the idea finally blew up. In 2010, some information that was leaked stated that the Google Street View service did not only just take 360-degree photos, but they were also guilty of storing data in people's Wi-Fi networks. The same year, the Chinese government stated and made an announcement saying that the Internet of Things was considered a top priority in their 5-year plan. That's enough talking about IoT. Let's get to what I did with the MXCHIP IoT DevKit. What's the MXCHIP and what does it do? The MXCHIP is basically an all-in-one kit that includes a bunch of sensors with Wi-Fi, a magnetometer, a pressure sensor, a temperature sensor, a humidity sensor, literally everything. It also includes a LED screen. Taking advantage of the little mic that it has on top, I built myself my own translator. I basically speak into it with another language and it tells me the English translation on the little LED screen. With over 6,500 languages in the world, it's really hard to keep track of what people are trying to say. With this little MXCHIP translator, it's portable, accessible, and you can literally take it anywhere. For this project, I used Azure Portal to manage all my devices. Once my devices were connected, I used the Azure function, the cognitive services, to actually download the software for the MXCHIP. And once the software was downloaded, I used the Azure IoT Hub to manage all that software, and I stored all my code in VS Code. So once I started and practiced sending telemetry data from the MXCHIP to the IoT Hub, I created an Azure Cognitive Speech Service which allowed the software to be downloaded onto the MXCHIP. Once my software was downloaded, I created my own IoT Hub and attached my device to it. Once my device was connected to the IoT Hub that I created, I downloaded the Speech Cognitive Service and ran it through my device. But before I ran it through my device, I got the JSON function URL and personalized my VS Code with it. I also personalized the subscription key that I had attached to my speech service. Once all my code was connected to the device, I had to do one last thing. I had to create a connection string between my device and my IoT Hub in order for the translation to happen. Once all my code was uploaded to the device, this is what showed up on the device. When the device loaded, it gave me an option of one of the 9 languages that I could speak into. I can just say the words and it'll give me an English translation of what I said. With services such as speech translation provided by Azure itself, the possibilities of using this MXCHIP are endless. If a device like this can fit in your palm of your hand and give you access to over 9 languages, the possibilities of using this are endless. So that pretty much wraps up this video. If anyone wants to start learning with Azure, I really recommend this MXCHIP. You can literally have so many projects with this, and it's really easy and fun to work with. If you want to see the full code with this project, the link is down in the description below, and I'll see you in the next one.